Hello, my name is Amy, and today I am going to talk about 5 different objects, 5 different things. I will describe them, listen, and try to guess what I am talking about. Are you ready? Number 1, what do we have today? Okay, the first one is, this is something that you find on a computer, a tablet, your phone. It is the part of your phone or tablet that you can touch. But you don't touch your TV or your computer monitor. Now, all of these things have color, but a long time ago, they were in black and white. They didn't have color, but now they do have color. You look at this thing. I am looking at mine right now to see what is happening. Maybe you are watching a movie or a TV series on this thing. At the moment, I am watching myself on the What is this thing called? I am going to show you in 3, 2, 1. A screen. It's called a screen. This is the part of the TV or monitor that you look at. Or on your phone, you can touch it. Okay, let's do number 2. Okay, next one. This is something you watch on a screen, a big screen sometimes, or maybe just in your house on your TV screen. It has actors, and there are lots of different genres. For example, horror, sci-fi, drama, rom-com, comedy. There are so many genres of this thing. I like most genres, but I'm not a fan of horror. It's not my thing. It's not my cup of tea. Typically, these things last around 1 hour and 30 minutes. Some, like Avatar, are almost 3 hours or maybe more. Lastly, you can go to the cinema to watch this thing and eat popcorn while you watch. Okay, I am going to show you what the correct answer is in 3, 2, 1. A movie or a film. You can call it a movie or a film. What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is the first Avatar. When you go to the cinema, do you eat popcorn? Do you have sweet or salty popcorn? And where do you prefer to sit? At the front, at the back, in the middle? I like to sit in the middle. How about you? Okay, let's do number 3. Okay. Next one. This is a decoration. You probably have one in your bathroom and maybe in your bedroom too. You use it to check how you look, your face, your outfit. Your outfit is the clothes you are wearing. My outfit today is a jacket, joggers, and some trainers, some white trainers. I looked in this thing before I left the house to make sure I looked okay. In the morning, in the bathroom, you probably look at this thing when you brush your teeth. And after you wash your face, you look up at your reflection in this thing to check that you still look handsome or beautiful. Finally, they say people say that if this thing breaks, you get 7 years bad luck. Okay, I am going to show you what I am talking about in 3, 2, 1. A mirror. I was talking about a mirror. How many mirrors do you have in your house? In which rooms do you have a mirror? I definitely have one in the bathroom, and I also have one in my bedroom. The mirror in my bedroom is long like this, so I can see all of my body. Okay, let's do the next one. This is a piece of jewelry, like a necklace or a bracelet or earrings. This is something you wear on your finger. It's a circle with a hole in the middle, so you can put it on a finger. Some of these can be made of platinum, gold, or silver. Maybe some are made of wood, like this. People offer this thing to another person to ask them to marry them when they want to propose. They go down on their knee and they offer this piece of jewelry and say, "Will you marry me?" Finally, this is not exactly the same, but it has the same name. Do you know the character Sonic, the blue hedgehog? Well, when he runs and hits something dangerous, these things fly out of him, because in the game he runs to collect these little things, and when he hits something, they fly out and you have to collect them again. These things have the same name as this piece of jewelry. Okay, I am going to show you the correct answer in 3, 2, 1. A ring. I was talking about a ring. Do you wear any rings? I don't usually wear any rings. In your country, on what finger do you wear a wedding ring? In the UK, we wear the wedding ring on the left hand, on this finger. But in Spain, they wear the wedding ring on their right hand on this finger. When I discovered that, I thought that was very interesting. On what finger do you wear your wedding ring in your country? Okay, let's do the last word. This is one of your 3 main meals of the day. It's the first meal. The second meal is called lunch. The third main meal is called dinner. What is the name of the first main meal? In Spain, I eat lunch at around 2 o'clock, at around 2 p.m. And I eat dinner at around 8:30 p.m. But here in Ireland, I eat lunch at 1 o'clock and dinner at 6:30 p.m. at 6:30. You eat your first main meal after you wake up. I typically eat my first meal at around 10 o'clock in the morning. Many people drink tea or coffee with this meal. I drink tea. Some popular foods at this time are cereal, toast, croissants, pain au chocolat, porridge, pancakes, waffles, bacon, eggs. Do you know what I am talking about? I am going to show you in 3, 2, 1. Breakfast. Of course, I was talking about breakfast. What do you eat for breakfast? Do you eat toast, eggs, bacon? Do you drink tea or coffee or something different? Do you prefer a sweet or savory breakfast? A sweet breakfast would be cereal, pancakes, waffles, croissants, or do you prefer savory, like eggs, toast, bacon? I prefer savory. I always eat a savory breakfast. I hardly ever eat a sweet breakfast. That is the end of the video today. We saw screen, film and movie, a mirror, a ring, and breakfast. How many did you get correct? I hope I described the items okay. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.